So Sally asked me to teach you, for the first half of the day, to teach you about container gardening. Container gardening could be pretty much a variety of different things. So we're going to go through some of the variety of different styles of container gardening. You can do it with fruits, vegetables, plants as well. You're going to see me do one with plants and one type of herb, eucalyptus. Yeah, I say eucalyptus a lot because I use either lavender or eucalyptus whenever I do floral arrangements because I need that smell to it. That's just my preference whenever I do a floral arrangement. Or if I'm doing a container garden, I put some kind of indicator plant in here. Indicator plants are something you need to know, especially since it's hot out for the next few days. It lets you know when to water your plants. You want to have one of those indicators. So you could do petunias, pansies, something that dries out pretty fast. Add at least one of them in there, and it will actually help you remember to water. Or if you don't want to water at all, do something simple like a cactus and succulent. You know, something easy. You could do small, you could do large. Doesn't matter really. What matters is you just got to remember when they get to a certain size, like this right here. This is a prime example. Most of this is too cluttered already. So you're going to have to start taking them out and replant them somewhere else. Now, don't be sad if a leaf fall off. Just replant it. That's the best thing about a succulent or in a cactus. Once they break, just plant it back. They'll settle themselves back into the ground and grow a whole new plant. All right. Plant. Yeah, and every time so if you had a longer part of this,
so they will go in the ground.
this is going in here.
Okay, and then
So the other longer part, you could just fill it up with water, and it would just water the whole entire thing.
you got it away. I'm really trying to Here, you want umbrella? You want umbrella?
So, because other versions of this has like a, it has this whole setup, and then it will drain off the excess water that it don't need anymore. But it has a bank of water down here that it stores, and then whenever your plants get dry, it just rehydrates it. But they'll bloom, of course, they'll bloom. They got their little babies on them.
Oh yeah, I see. What is that one?
These are Sasha daisies, or no, these are not Sasha daisies.
I couldn't even get what it says.
I don't want to give you the wrong name, that's why. I think they're Croposma. Maybe Sasha daisies. I'm not sure.
It's their cousin.
Yeah.
It's their cousin.
We'll say that for the match. But that's the best thing about it, to keep you on your toes.
So if you have a side of the street where it's sun all day, they're called full sun, or
Yeah, that's full sun. So if you get across the street gets the full sun, and then you're shady,
just get half.
you're half until like later on. Then it goes over. But sometimes your backyard is like full sun, but your front yard not sunny at all. So that's why.
That's exactly